Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to enable or disable spell checker on itel S15 mobile phone. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. Okay guys, here in your itel S15 mobile phone, you'll have to do is go to settings. In settings, scroll down and go to system. Here in system, go to language and input. In language and input assistance section, you can see the spell checker. And the spell checker is off. And okay guys, to enable or turn on the spell checker, you'll have to do is tap this. And okay, here in spell checker, you can see the use spell checker, and on the right side of this you can see the switch button. And okay guys, to turn on or enable the spell checker, you'll have to do is switch on the switch button on the right side. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully enabled. And to disable again, you'll have to do is switch off the switch button on the right side. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully enabled or disabled spell checker on itel S15 mobile phone. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.